In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a happy birthday video on Canva just like this. Now you can create a video in either portrait or landscape, so let's go ahead and get started. So what you need to do is go to the home page of Canva. So if you go to canva.com, provided you're logged in, you'll be taken here. Now what I recommend you do is go create in the top left hand corner, then go to videos, and here you'll see mobile video or video landscape. Now you need to decide, do you want to share the video in portrait format or landscape? So if you're going to share the video over something like WhatsApp, Messenger, or any messaging service, I would recommend mobile video portrait. But if you're going to upload it to YouTube, perhaps you want landscape. This is a decision for you though. I'm going to go with mobile video portrait just for this video, but you can obviously choose whichever one you want. Now that will load you into the Canva video editor. Now what we can do is we can go to design, then we can search happy birthday. Now once you've done that, it's going to show you all of these different templates that you can import into the video editor. Now do know that the crown icon means it's only available to Canva Pro, so if you don't have Canva Pro, you're going to have to find one without the crown icon. There are plenty to choose from though, so go ahead and look and find one. If you go to styles, you can filter out these for different colors. Maybe you want happy or fun or a playful video. Either way though, choose which one which works for you. Some are going to have videos that you can have, some will have photos that you can have, so it really depends on what you're trying to achieve and how many photos or videos of that person you want to add. Like this one has loads of photos, so if you have 5 photos of your friend or person you're making this for, maybe that's a good one. If you only have one, maybe choose one with only 1 photo. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this template, but whichever one you choose, just click on it and it will add it to the video timeline. Now here we can go ahead and look for other templates here which relate to the one we've clicked on. So if we like this one, there are more to choose from. Anyway though, we're going to go with this, so I'm going to click on this arrow and collapse this. Now if we scroll through this, you can basically preview the video. So as you can see, it is just a very simple animation here, very easy to view. So we've got a photo, we've got some text, and we've got some background animations as well. Now we can edit all of this, so if you come down to this slider here, you can slide in and out and you can make fine edits. Now the first thing that I would recommend you do is go and find a photo of the person whose birthday is. So once you've found that photo, go to uploads on the left, then click upload files, and then you can obviously upload a file of that person. It's then going to go into the images section. Now I'm going to just add this picture here, which happens to be a picture of myself, but we're going to run with that for the video. You would add it of your friend, obviously. You can then change the text as well. You can also add text. So maybe we wanted to add an extra word here or an extra couple of words. You could go to text on the left and then add a text box. And that's going to add just a standard text box. You could go ahead and customize this as well. If you want to keep the style of the existing text, you could click on it, you could right click and then copy, and then right click and paste. So now we have this text here in the same font as the one up here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these 2 text boxes up so we've got room for this one. To do that, all you need to do is click on the text, hold shift on the keyboard, and then click on your other text. It's going to highlight both of them, and now we can move this up. So I'm going to then move this one up as well, and I'm just going to replace this for you legend. We'll stretch out this text and we'll move it in the center. Now you don't really need to get too advanced with this. The more stuff that you start changing, the more the template starts to change as well. But as you can see, because we copied the text, it copies the animation as well, which is going to be important. Now we could also change things like the color of the balloons, the background and stuff like that. It's very simple to do with this, as you can see, but I would recommend you keep it relatively similar to the template, because the more you start customizing it, the more complex it's going to get. Obviously you can change this text. I'll just put here Bradley Knowledge, and if you need to change the font or the style, you can highlight the text. You can then change the font up here. You can make it smaller, you can bold, and you can drag out this text box here. And there you go. So I'm going to delete this one. We're going to click on it. We're going to click the delete icon. So now we've pretty much got our video. One thing that I would recommend, which is pretty cool, if you go to elements, you can then search happy birthday And then if you go to audio, you can actually place a happy birthday song onto this, which I think is a good touch. So you can just drag on the music here, and then you can just play it. You can move it around so you've got the actual part you want. And if you play it, you should hear the music. If you want to add special touches, like maybe they have a favorite football team, you could go ahead and search for their icon and see if it is available. So my team isn't on Canva, but you could upload an actual image of their logo. So you could upload images, you can add more stuff, but to be honest, to keep it basic for the tutorial, we're going to keep it as it is. Then once you're happy with your video, go to share in the top right hand corner, and then you've got a couple of options. You can download it to your computer. You can also get a public view link, so you can send them a link to the video. If I was to recommend something, I would recommend downloading the video, and then you can send it to someone, maybe on like WhatsApp web, so they'll receive it on WhatsApp on their phone, and they'll be able to just click on the video instead of going to a link. So to do that, you would just click download, make sure you download as a video, and then you're going to get the video file on your computer, which you can then either send to your phone or send it to the person. So here is the file. We'll go ahead and open it. And I'm going to mute the sound just for copyright, but here is the animation, here is the video. That's how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.